Ever wondered how that juicy burger or crisp salad impacts our planet? It's a thought that might have crossed your mind as you savor your favorite meal. How does what we eat shape the environment? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Our food choices do more than just satisfy our taste buds. They hold a profound influence on our world. From the fields where our fruits and veggies grow to the wide blue seas, our plates connect us to the planet in surprising ways. Stick around to find out how our food choices shape the world. Consider the meat on your plate. Where does it come from? It's a simple question, but the answer is quite complex. Let's delve into the environmental impact of meat production. Firstly, there's deforestation. Large tracts of forest are cleared to create pastures for livestock or to grow feed crops. This not only destroys habitats for millions of species, but also reduces the planet's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. Secondly, meat production is incredibly water-intensive. For instance, producing a single pound of beef can take over 1,800 gallons of water. That's equivalent to around 36 bathtubs full of water. Lastly, let's not forget about greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock farming contributes to nearly 15% of global emissions, more than the combined exhaust from all transportation. So, meat production can have a significant impact on our environment. But what about other types of foods? Now let's turn our attention to plant-based foods. Are they a green option? Well, the short answer is generally yes. Plant-based foods tend to have a lower environmental footprint compared to their meat counterparts. For instance, growing legumes or grains uses significantly less land and produces fewer greenhouse gases than rearing livestock. But, as is often the case, the full story is a bit more complex. While plant-based foods are more sustainable overall, they're not without their challenges. Some plant crops, like almonds and avocados, require tremendous amounts of water to grow. This can strain local water supplies and lead to conflicts over this precious resource. Furthermore, the way we farm these plants can also have an impact. Conventional farming methods can lead to soil degradation and loss of biodiversity. So, while plant-based foods are a step in the right direction, it's crucial to consider their full environmental impact and strive for sustainable farming practices. Plant-based foods generally have a lower environmental impact, but there's more to consider. Seafood is often touted as a healthy choice, but what's the environmental catch? Well, it's a tangled net indeed. Let's start with overfishing. When we haul in more fish than the ocean can naturally replace, we're upsetting a delicate balance. This can lead to the collapse of entire fish populations, threatening not just our dinner plates, but the health of our oceans. Next up, habitat destruction. Picture the dragnets scraping the ocean floor. They're not just catching fish, they're also destroying the very habitats these creatures call home: coral reefs, seagrass beds, you name it. And let's not forget about bycatch, the unintended victims of fishing. Dolphins, sea turtles, and even seabirds can get caught in nets, leading to a tragic loss of marine life that extends far beyond our target catch. So, seafood has its own set of environmental challenges. But what can we do about all of this? It's clear that our food choices matter, so how can we make a difference? Well, we can start with small, manageable changes. Reducing our meat consumption is a fantastic first step. Even substituting one meal a week with a plant-based alternative can make a significant impact. And when we do choose to indulge in a carnivorous delight, let's make sure it's from a source that treats its animals humanely and sustainably. Next, let's talk about seafood. Opting for sustainably sourced fish helps protect our oceans and the diverse life they hold. Look for labels indicating sustainable practices, or better yet, choose local where possible. Speaking of local, supporting our local farmers can also have a big impact. Not only does this cut down on food miles, reducing carbon emissions, but it also helps to sustain local economies. And if we can choose organic, even better. Organic farming methods are kinder to our soil, our water, and the myriad of creatures that call these environments home. But remember, every little bit helps. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Small, consistent changes add up over time. And together, these small steps can lead to big strides in protecting our planet. By making conscious choices, we can all play a part in protecting our planet. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.